Hi, today I'm going to show you how to deal with uppercase and lowercase in Word. I'm currently on a Mac using Office 365 and I'm using version 16.33. So I've just got some example text up here just to show you how you can deal with the different uppercase and lowercase in Word. So I've got some uppercase here, so if I highlight this, make sure I'm on the Home tab and go along to this icon here. So this is the one really that you'll need for these different kind of changes. So click the drop down and you can clearly see you're presented with a number of different options. Sentence case will convert your text into a simple sentence format. Lowercase will obviously turn everything into lowercase. Uppercase back into uppercase. And then capitalise each word will just mean that a capital letter is placed at the beginning of every single word in your sentence. And then we have this scenario where you might have hit the caps lock key at the wrong time and you're presented with this scenario. So again, we just highlight the text, go back up to this icon and simply go to toggle case. And this will convert the lowercase into uppercase and the uppercase into lowercase. So that's how to deal with uppercase and lowercase in Word. I hope it's helped. If it has, please subscribe and have a great day.